Are you ready to unlock the biggest secret to manifesting your dreams into reality? It's time to wake up and realize that your imagination is the only true reality. Yes, you heard that right. Once you grasp this fundamental truth, everything in your life will change for the better. But I know what you're thinking. How can something as intangible as imagination be the key to creating a better reality? It's understandable to feel skeptical at first, but trust me, this realization will blow your mind. Sure, accepting that our thoughts hold all the power to shape our reality can be a daunting responsibility. But it's time to take ownership of your life and see how your previous dominant thoughts have attracted your current reality. This is not about blaming yourself for any negative circumstances in your life, but rather about recognizing the incredible power you hold to manifest a brighter future. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of imagination as the only true reality and how it relates to the law of attraction. This concept is explained by Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher who believes that our imagination is the key to creating the life we want. However, for most people, accepting this truth can be challenging, as it requires a level of responsibility that some might not be ready to take on. But trust me, once you see the power of your imagination, everything will change for you. One simple yet fundamental truth: the biggest reason why people struggle to manifest their desires is because they don't understand the nature of reality. Many people believe that the world around them is fixed and that they have no control over it. They believe that their lives are a result of circumstances and events that are beyond their control. However, this is far from the truth. The reality is that we have more control over our lives than we think. Once you realize that your imagination is the only true reality, everything changes. You begin to understand that your thoughts and beliefs have a significant impact on your reality. Your imagination is your creative power that can shape your life and help you manifest your desires. Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher, believed that imagination is the key to creating the life you want. He taught that our imagination is the bridge that connects our inner world to the outer world. When you understand this truth, you begin to see how your thoughts and beliefs create your reality. Your mind is like a projector that projects your thoughts and beliefs onto the screen of your life. If you focus on negative thoughts and beliefs, you will attract negative experiences and circumstances. On the other hand, if you focus on positive thoughts and beliefs, you will attract positive experiences and circumstances. Your imagination is a powerful tool that can help you shape your life. By visualizing your desires as already done, you create a vibrational match with them, and they begin to manifest in your reality. You can use your imagination to create the life you want. You can visualize yourself living in the house of your dreams, driving the car you want, having the career you desire, and being in a happy relationship. The more you focus on your desires, the more they will manifest in your reality. For most people, accepting imagination as the only true reality can be challenging. It requires them to take responsibility for their thoughts and beliefs, which can be scary for some. However, the truth is that our thoughts and beliefs have immense power, and we need to understand that we created our current circumstances. It's not always easy to accept that we're responsible for our reality, especially when we don't like what we've attracted. But if you can observe your life and see how the nature of your thoughts attracted your current reality, it won't be hard to accept that we indeed do create our reality. The role of imagination in the manifestation process cannot be overstated. Our imagination is the bridge between the inner world of thoughts and the outer world of reality. When we imagine something, we create a mental image of it, and this image creates a vibrational frequency that matches the thing we desire. Visualization is a powerful tool that many successful people have used to achieve their goals. When we focus our attention on our desires and visualize them as already done, we create a vibrational match with them, and they begin to manifest in our reality. This is because our thoughts and beliefs emit a certain frequency, and the universe responds to that frequency by bringing us experiences that match it. However, it's essential to note that the universe doesn't respond to what we want or don't want, but rather to the vibration we emit. Therefore, it's crucial to focus on what we want rather than what we don't want. When we focus on lack and limitations, we attract more of the same, and this can create a negative cycle that can be hard to break. Visualization can be a powerful tool when used correctly, but it's not enough on its own. We must also take action towards our goals and align our thoughts and beliefs with what we want to create in our lives. This means letting go of limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, and doubts, and replacing them with positive affirmations and a strong belief in our ability to manifest our desires. The power of imagination is not just a concept, It is a tangible force that we can observe and experience in our daily lives. Have you ever thought about someone you haven't seen or spoken to in years, and they suddenly show up in your life, either in person, through a phone call or message? These synchronicities are not mere coincidences. They are the direct result of your thoughts and imagination creating your reality. Likewise, have you ever had a song stuck in your head and then heard it playing on the radio or in a public place shortly after? These experiences are not random. They are a result of your thoughts and energy creating a vibrational match with the external world. Your imagination creates a frequency that attracts matching experiences into your reality. These synchronicities are not limited to people and songs. You may have had instances where you thought about a specific object or situation, and it suddenly appears in your life without any apparent cause or effort. These occurrences are evidence of the power of your imagination and the law of attraction. The synchronicities that we experience in our lives are not coincidental, but are the result of the energy and frequency that we emanate. Our thoughts and imagination are creating a vibrational match with the external world, bringing our desires and intentions into manifestation. By recognizing and acknowledging these synchronicities, we can begin to see the power of our imagination in our lives. We can use this understanding to focus our thoughts and imagination on our desires, leading to the creation of positive experiences and outcomes in our lives. The impact of assumptions on our reality is significant and should not be underestimated. Our beliefs and assumptions are powerful, shaping the way we perceive and interact with the world. When we hold limiting beliefs or assume that something is impossible, we close ourselves off from the potential of experiencing it. On the other hand, when we hold empowering beliefs and assume that anything is possible, we open ourselves up to endless opportunities and experiences. Our imagination is the gateway to these possibilities, and we must learn to use it to its full potential. The double-slit experiment in quantum physics provides an excellent illustration of the impact of assumptions on our reality. In the experiment, a particle is fired at a screen with two slits in it, and the resulting pattern on a second screen behind it is measured. The experiment revealed that the particles behave differently depending on the observer's assumptions. When researchers expected the particles to behave like waves, they observed a wave-like pattern on the second screen. When they expected the particles to behave like particles, they observed a particle-like pattern. This experiment proved that our assumptions shape the behavior of particles, and therefore, they have a significant impact on our reality. Another crucial element of manifestation is the power of feeling. Our feelings are a critical component of the manifestation process. When we align our thoughts and feelings with our desires, we create a powerful vibration that attracts those desires to us. Emotions carry energy, and when we focus our attention on positive emotions, we attract positive experiences. The role of feeling in manifestation. Feeling is essential in the manifestation process because it's the energy that attracts our desires to us. We can think positively about our desires, but if we don't feel good about them, we won't attract them. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, you can't just think about it. You must also feel good about it. You must feel the excitement, joy, and gratitude of having that new job, and that feeling will create a vibrational match that attracts it to you. The importance of positive emotions. Positive emotions are crucial in the manifestation process because they carry high-frequency energy. When we feel happy, excited, and grateful, we emit a high-frequency vibration that attracts more positive experiences. On the other hand, negative emotions like fear, doubt, and worry carry low-frequency energy that attracts negative experiences. Therefore, it's crucial to focus on positive emotions and feel good as much as possible. The power of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful positive emotions that we can cultivate. When we feel grateful, we emit a high-frequency vibration that attracts more positive experiences. It's essential to focus on what we have and appreciate it, even if it's not exactly what we want. By focusing on gratitude, we shift our energy from lack to abundance and create a vibrational match with more positive experiences. Examples of using feeling in manifestation. Let's take an example of using feeling in manifestation. Suppose you want to manifest a new car. Instead of just thinking about the car, focus on the feeling of having it. Imagine how it would feel to sit in the driver's seat, to smell the leather, to hear the engine purr. Visualize yourself driving the car and feeling happy and excited. Focus on these positive emotions and feel them as strongly as possible. This feeling will create a vibrational match with your desire and attract it to you. Another example of using feeling in manifestation is to focus on the feeling of abundance. Instead of focusing on lack and what you don't have, focus on the abundance that surrounds you. Feel grateful for what you have, even if it's not exactly what you want. By focusing on gratitude, you shift your energy to abundance, and this attracts more positive experiences to you. The power of affirmations. Affirmations are statements that we repeat to ourselves to shift our beliefs and feelings. They can be powerful tools in the manifestation process, especially when we use them to focus on positive emotions. For example, if you want to manifest abundance, you can repeat affirmations like, "I am grateful for the abundance in my life," or "I attract abundance effortlessly." These affirmations can help you shift your beliefs and feelings to a positive state and create a vibrational match with abundance. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the concept of imagination as the only true reality and its relationship to the law of attraction. We hope that you have gained some valuable insights and inspiration on how to use your imagination to manifest the life you want. Remember, your imagination is a powerful tool that can help you shape your reality, but requires you to take responsibility for your thoughts and beliefs. With practice and persistence, you can learn to harness the power of your imagination and create the life you desire. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy manifesting!